My people, Sarah Matthews, he don't vex so. He don't vex. He don't come and say, upon all, he don't stand gidigba for this he bestie. I know say na wetin in the talk with that. He say he no know if I not put hand for sawa gari when they not send down to put hand. He say after he don't put hand for sawa gari, it can cause a lot of hard work to ram. Right now, he say he no fit. He say na friend na him take am for. Say the matches now don't open all the mental about Juju Austin. All those things when Juju Austin they do. Una know say they say show me your friend and I go tell you who you be. Oh. Right now, say the matches now come run kitty, run kata. Begin to say he don't wash him hand. Oh. He no fit. My people, I greet all of you according to the time when I see this video. He no fit for Judy Austin. Wahali. Even as the matter they go, so see Bestie when they fight for Bestie. The Austin now don't go unfollow Sarah Matches. He don't even block her. They see something like this. Una know say I first talk and say person begin dey fight for a friend and the friend no even care whether it exists. Things dey happen for this life. Oh, right now, Sarah Matthews don't talk say he no get hand, he no get leg for inside the matter again. Like him own is something they do, je. Although she don't come out beg a lot of Nigerians, beg a lot of people, but they not take. Oh, why some say they see they watch Sarah Matthews. Say Sarah Matthews na chameleon when they change. Not be small thing. They say wahali, e not the finish. Oh, right now, Sarah Matthews don't talk say the sour gari when he go try to go chop, he can't cause sakala for am. The so-called friend when he call am, he don't be another thing to am. He say for the Edoche, he no go put mouth for anything when he consign them. My people, so that Matthews can't even still let us know reach like that. Oh, say Judy Austin, a lot of things they when Judy Austin don't put hand, don't put leg. After this one, when Sarah Matthews come do apology for the public, even for our Queen May. Judy Austin come vex so come put ham for your Edoche page. Say he no get the shaking no come begin the hey you Edoche no be small thing. Now make I talk say a lot of things they happen. Oh, you carry am as your friend. Make people make una dey careful for bestie matter. The person wey you dey say your bestie na him be your one sole enemy so far. When he even dey follow you, dey under of your roof. My people na dey see wetin dey happen. Sarah Matthews say he get a lot of business to mind. He not sure, he no go fit add the Edoche family business to own business. He say enough don reach. Oh, I say make Judy Austin carry him own face Ikento, while into carry her own face Akento. My people now they see now. Say despite all these many things when it happen to Sarah Matthews, Judy Austin not come out. Judy Austin they get time when they take the dance, they shake their bum when they marry put for leg. At the end of the day, it can't be another thing. Judy Austin can't be the first. Judy Austin can't talk say Matches don open her bum. Don open some kind thing wey e be dey hide before. Now wow. And you use your hand and your leg take cause the one wey you put yourself onto bestie. And this one that they talk, I see bestie oh. Bestie come put am for inside hot water. Wahala too plenty oh. Sarah Martins just see win, he don see yan. Hey wey, they see something like this. Right now, Sarah Martins say because of you, Edochie, and his so-called side chick. Wahali na he put am for where he not supposed to put. Imagine for grown-up adults to come out for the media side, come begin and cry for the face. You know, see the matter don't pass, be careful. A lot of person come to say, if Sarah Martins go feel humble herself to mind her business, it could have been the better for her. See, because if she not mind her business, I want another wahala. And our beautiful Queen May, she not even mind who they talk, abi that who be that. She just dey do her things. Je. She just dey do her cool. Wow. But this life, things they happen no. Sarah Martins, the thing even tire am. You know, expect am. May Edochie na blessed queen. You supposed to don't know that one by now. And May Edochie fans na talk notch. There plenty for the world. Because the woman don't see win, it don't see nyaf on her hand. Despite all this win, all this nyaf, she still remains strong. She still remains unbreakable and untouchable. But Sarah Martins come begin say they won't use her. Make she take the shake our beautiful Queen May up and down. My people, make una drop una comments. Una think, my love.